Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to you all, my dear student, honorable guardians, my dear colleagues. Welcome to you all in my online school, SSGB Government Online School. I am Muhammad Harun Rashid, Senior Teacher ICT, South Satkania Gulambari Government High School. Dear student, today I am discussing important topics to you. Our school remain closed due to COVID-19. So we have decided to arrange online school so that our student can get the class from their house. So this is I want to show you my identity. Today I am going to take English class, English second paper for class 8 JSC examinees 2020. Let's go. Dear students, here two sentences for you. You notice this sentence as Hassan is a good boy. The other sentence is Hassan is not a bad boy. I always remember you. I never forget you. Dear students, is there any change between first two and last two sentences? I think there's no sense in their meanings. So what will be our today's topic? Can you guess? Yes, I will tell you what will be our today's topic. Yes, our today's topic is transformation of sentences. It's a very important topic for this examination. So I think it will need discuss deeply. Dear students, at first we have to know what is transformation of sentence. Let's go. What is the definition of transformation of sentence? At first there are some learning outcomes for you. After starting this lesson, we will be able to identify the definition of transformation of sentences, identify the rules of transformation of sentences, identify the structure of rules, transform sentence vice versa. Vice versa means affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative. Dear students, what is transformation of sentence. Do you know? Yes. When at the time of change in sentence, and the meaning of sentence is not changed, is called transformation of sentence. Here example for you. Karim is attentive in his class. It's a affirmative form. Its negative form is Karim is not inattentive in his class. Think, my dear student, the meaning both of sentences is same. Karim is attentive, not attentive. There is no difference between two sentences. So here's some rules of transformation of sentences. Here we are going to discuss affirmative to negative. Transform sentence affirmative to negatives. Here is the rules. Rule 1. If the sentence is formed with auxiliary verb or to be verb or to have verb, the affirmative form will be subject auxiliary verb plus a oblique and plus adjective or positive word plus object. So its negative form will be negative form subject auxiliary verb not oblique and opposite form of adjective or positive word. I am going to show you example behind this role. He is a regular student. He subject is auxiliary verb, a regular adjective, and student, a regular student object. Here if you change this sentence into negative, at first you have to follow the negative form, the structure of negative form. Subject, here subject he, auxiliary verb is, then not, then an, because we put a in affirmative sentence, we put a before regular because there is a consonant sound. A is used before consonant sound and an is used before vowel sound. Irregular, it's create vowel sound, so we put n before irregular. Dear student, here main topics: regular, irregular. Irregular is the opposite form of regular, and after verb is we put not irregular. Not irregular means regular. So there is no change of meaning both of this sentence. Dear student, we have a more rules. If the affirmative sentence begin with only, the negative sentence will be with none but or nothing but. So when will none but and when will nothing but? Let's see an example. Here is a affirmative form. Only Kamal can do the work. Only start with a person. When only start with a person before a person, its negative form start with non-word. So we can know that non-word, we put non-word before a person in negative sentence. Then we will know the use of nothing but. A child likes only sweets. It's affirmative form. Its negative form will be a child's nothing but sweets. Here, sweets a thing, one kinds of thing. So you can know nothing but used only and nothing but used before a things. None but used before a person, nothing but used before thing. Yes, dear student, only if only with number or age. If the affirmative sentence is formed with only to indicate number or age, the negative sentence will be formed with not more than or not less than. Here is example for you. I have only 10 taka. 10 only used before 10. 10 is a number, indicates number, so its negative form I have not more than or not less than. We can use any one, not more than or not less than. We cannot use both of this part, both of this phrase. I have not more than 10 taka or I have not less than 10 taka. Rana is only 20 years old. 20 years indicates age, so negative form Rana is not more than or less than 20 years old. Dear student, you have another rules. If the affirmative sentence is formed with must, the negative sentence will form with cannot but or cannot help. Must start with affirmative sentence. The negative sentence start with cannot but or cannot help. So let's see an example. He must go. Must mean obligation, compulsory, its meaning. He must go there. Its negative form he cannot but go there. Here we mark in red color must changed into cannot but. Must used affirmative and must change into cannot but in negative sentence. If the affirmative sentence formed with must, we use cannot but in negative sentence. Clear, my dear student? Or we can can use cannot help. If the cannot help is used, we have to uh, form the go verb into present participle. Present participle means verb plus ing. If the negative sentence formed with cannot help, its principal verb plus ing form. So, my dear student, you have a unit work individually. You have to transform the following sentence into negative. We have discussed 4 rules in affirmative to negative in transformation. Now we are going to exercise the rules by following sentence. Here, first sentence, only the graduates should apply. The second sentence, only the moon visible. This is an extraordinary ship. The next one is, he was an honest man. Next, we must obey our parents. Dear student, you have a time to complete the sentence into negative. Here the sentence is affirmative. You have to transform the sentence into negative. Okay, I will help you to complete the sentences into negative. The sentence start with only. Only start before a person. Graduate indicates a person. So only change into none but. Yes, the answer, none but the graduate should apply. Only the moon visible. So its answer will be nothing but the moon. Moon is a thing, it's not a person, so we used nothing but before moon to change into the sentence into negative. Dear student, this is extraordinary ship. You have to change this subject is auxiliary verb of extraordinary. Do you know what's the opposite form of extraordinary? You will need the opposite form of extraordinary word. The positive word, the extraordinary. Yes, I will help you to complete it. This is not a ordinary ship. The ordinary is the opposite form of extraordinary. Dear students, he was an honest man. What's the opposite meaning? Antonym of honest. Okay, I show. He was not a dishonest. Honest, its antonym dishonest. We must obey our parents. We cannot but or cannot help obey our parents. Dear student, after exercise, now we have to end of the class. You have a homework. You have to transform some sentences into negative. If the situation is normal, you will go to school, then you will show me the homework. I think inshallah the situation will be normal, will be okay by the grace of Almighty Allah. So you have a homework. You have some sentences. You have to change it into negative. You must respect your teacher. Only the graduate should apply. Only the moon visible. This is an extraordinary ship. You are an honest man. I always remember you. Only Allah can help us from the coronavirus. He is only 10. Rahim is always punctual. Okay, my dear student, it's time to say goodbye. Okay, goodbye. See you all. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Best of luck. Inshallah, I will come next class, another topics for you. Assalamu alaikum to all.